almost fucking died.
I made money, then I lost it. So empty all your pockets. I'ma need your wallet. Pop, lock, and drop it. I made money, then I lost it. So empty all your pockets. I'ma need your wallet every single time. You give it up and you'll be fine.
Hey, 247 365. I'm a fresh little young and you gotta respect the grind. Let me tell you something that's sitting up on my mind. I can't give me a dime, I can't give me a dime.
Oh man, I'm so mad that I can't get the bag. It's so sad. Everybody wanna take all of mine. Everybody wanna take all of mine.
Hey, shorty tryna holler, she just want $1, and I don't even think that's enough. Should've robbed her for her love. Sick and I'm feeling kinda stuck. I know she'll want me when I'm coming up. Hey, then I'll show her everything I bought and everything I cop and everything I want. Everything I flaunt like wrist, 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 wrist. Check it on, wrist, 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 wrist. Check it on.
I lost it. So empty all your pockets. I'ma need your wallet. Pop, lock, and drop it. I made money, then I lost it. So empty all your pockets. I'ma need your wallet every single time. You give it up and you'll be fine. Oh wow,
Got me going crazy.
oh wow,
But I feel amazing.
oh wow,
I just won the lottery.
oh wow.
Can't stop me. Tell me what you want.
I want a paddock where my wrist is.
Tell me what it costs.
Cost about 6 digits.
Tell me what you
I
want.
want a paddock where my wrist is.
Tell me what it costs.
Can't stop me
now. Got me going crazy as fuck. A dump truck full of cash and a safe in the trunk. That sucks, fucked up, spend it all in a month. Hot psych, that's right, I got more than enough. Hey, shorty gonna show up and tell me she want my kids. But now that I'm rich, don't know which one that I should pick. Didn't want me when I was broke, oh no, no. One last kiss, then you can go home.